Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox and quick review Nokia 130. Nokia 130 is an incredibly cheapest phone with great features, over $19. As you can see, available in three colors, red, black and white. I think red is more stylish. Here is the features. Up to 16 hours playback video, micro USB connector, SD card support up to 32 GB, FM radio, 46 hours playtime of music, LED torch, file sharing, slam via Bluetooth, and that. You can see Microsoft label. Maybe you know Nokia was bought by Microsoft, and thus here is the Nokia Microsoft label. So let's unbox. Micro USB charger, Nokia. Good battery, 1020 milliampere. Oh, awesome. And quick user manual. So there's a 1.8-inch display with 114 pixel density, speaker for calls, micro USB connector, 3.5mm jack for music, for headphones, flashlight, speaker, and microphone. So it supports only regular SIM, mini SIM. Battery life is very good. 846 hours of standby, 46 hours of music playback, 14 video hours of video playback and 13 hours talk time. Clock. Okay. Back. Music player. There is no music inside. Insert memory card. Okay. Messages. FM radio. Settings. Tone. Ringtone. Okay. Bluetooth off. Okay. Display settings, wallpaper. Can change. Dimensions of device are 106 by 146.5. Weight around 69 grams. Thickness are 13.8 millimeter. Or the flashlight. Games, Snake, older and best game from Nokia. Okay. Extras, reminder, calculator, calendar, flashlight. Final words, pros and cons. Pros are very good battery life, cheap, micro SD slot, music player, video player, Bluetooth. Cons are smaller screen, poor speaker, and no micro SIM slot. So, what do you think about Nokia 130? Please comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.